Assalamualaikum students. As I told you, when the angle between V and B is between 0 and 90 degree, then there will be a spiral path. The motion of electron will be in spiral path. Dear students, whenever the electron will have this path, then there will be a frequency. So this frequency is called cyclotron frequency. Now here, how to calculate this frequency? Dear students, here centripetal force and force on the charge will be equal. Whenever the centripetal force and force on a charge will be equal, then at that time the frequency of the electron is called cyclotron frequency. Here is its mathematical calculation. Fc is equal to mr omega square and Fq is equal to qvb. As V is equal to R omega, just substitute value of V is equal to R omega over here. You will get mr omega square as it is equal to as it is, and Q as it is, and V will be replaced with R omega, and here it will be Q R omega B. R and R will be cancelled out. This omega and this square will be cancelled out, and finally you will get omega is equal to QB divided by M. This M will be shifted over here. Now the टाइम पीरियड विल बी टी इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई अपॉन ओमेगा. आपने ये फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ा था, आपको याद होगा, मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई एफ. एफ को रिप्लेस करते हैं हम 1/t एंड यू विल गेट टी इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई अपॉन ओमेगा. पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑफ ओमेगा ओवर हेयर, यू विल गेट टी इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई अपॉन क्यू बी डिवाइड बाई एम. Just rearrange this equation, you will get t is equal to 2 pi m upon qb. This will be the time period of electron moving in spiral path. And finally the frequency will be its inverse and its reciprocal. So f is equal to qb upon 2 pi m. This will be the cyclotron frequency, and cyclotron frequency is the frequency when the centripetal force is equal to the force on a charge moving in a magnetic field. Got it? Dear students, this is the whole story for today's topic. I will see you again with the next topic. Till then, goodbye.